You have no idea what a beautiful thing this is. Being out here in this snowy weather. I love it. Y'all thought you'd leave me hopeless, but you really didn't. You blessed me. I've been blessed so many times over that it's not even funny. But you can't stop me, because I'm going to continue. Every time I'm blessed, I'm going to continue to bless. So with that being said, you see all the snow out behind us and everything about it. You see that? What a beautiful day and what a beautiful thing. How many people do you really think are out here with no place to go today? Have you ever thought about that? I know a lot of people out here that are no place to go today. They're in this cold weather. You see that wind picking up tremendously, correct? So I'm gonna leave it at where it's at. And we're gonna get in out of this cold weather. I'm not gonna get sick, but I'm gonna continue to show you what's going on out here and how we're being violated. You see, any inclement weather you shouldn't be in. It's not good for your health. It's a violation of your rights. So with that being said, all of you out here, have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll talk to you. Just pray.